So you spoke about the eating and what the food meant to you as well, how that changed with competition. 'Cause eating for performance is actually a wonderful thing in terms of how it changes your perspective. How has that been for you?
Um, yeah, I've noticed a lot of different on our plate. It's not quite as beige as it once was. I have to tell you this peak moment as I was training up to the
Mm-hmm.
the English powerlifting championship for the Commonwealth. I bought a packet of donuts, and it was about 3 weeks out from competition. And I said to my other half, I got two out and I went, do you know what? Whatever, I'm having this donut. I've not tracked it, but I'm having it.
Mm-hmm.
And he looked at me from the other side of the sofa as I got this donut out. And it touched my lips and I went, you know what? Actually, this is not worth it. And I passed it to him. And that for
Sure.
me is the peak moment when it actually meant something. I thought, if I can pass this up after
Mm-hmm.
having a really rough day, this must mean something to me.
That's phenomenal.
Um, but yeah, I grow a lot of my own vegetables, so my eating was always pretty good anyway.
Mm-hmm.